Hey there, hustlers! Welcome back to Just Hustle, the channel that fuels your entrepreneurial spirit and sets you on the path to financial independence. Today, we're serving up a sizzling platter of the top 5 best business ideas in 2023. And trust me, these ideas are so hot, they'll make your competitors break a sweat. And the secret ingredient to these mind-blowing concepts? It's none other than our genius friend, ChatGPT. So, get ready to have your entrepreneurial minds blown. But before we dive into these extraordinary ideas, if you're enjoying the content on Just Hustle and want to stay updated with the latest business trends, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By joining our community, you'll gain access to exclusive tips, tricks, and insights that will supercharge your financial journey. So go ahead, smash that subscribe button now. Moving on to our first mind-blowing idea, virtual reality fitness training. We all know how important fitness is, but let's face it, sometimes traditional workouts can be a bit boring and monotonous. That's where ChatGPT comes in. By harnessing the power of virtual reality and combining it with personalized workout programs created by ChatGPT, you can transform your fitness routine into an exhilarating adventure. Imagine running through the Amazon rainforest or practicing yoga on a beautiful beach, all while getting an intense workout. With ChatGPT as your virtual fitness coach, you'll never have a dull moment in your exercise regime. Now, let's step into the world of fashion with our mind-blowing idea. Personalized fashion stylist. We all want to look our best, but sometimes it can be overwhelming to keep up with the latest trends and find outfits that truly reflect our unique style. Enter ChatGPT, your ultimate fashion guru. With its deep knowledge of fashion trends, body types, and personal preferences, ChatGPT can curate the perfect outfits for any occasion. No more staring blankly at your wardrobe, wondering what to wear. ChatGPT will have you looking like a fashion icon in no time. But wait, there's more! I know you're loving these incredible business ideas, but I want to make sure you're taking full advantage of the opportunities that come your way. So here's your special mid-video call to action. Grab a pen and paper or open a new document on your device because I want you to start brainstorming your own business ideas right now. Yes, right now. Let your imagination run wild and write down any sparks of genius that come to mind. Who knows? Your million-dollar idea might be just a scribble away. Alright, hustlers, now that you've got your creative juices flowing, let's dive back into our list of mind-blowing business ideas. Next up on our list of mind-blowing ideas, personalized travel planner. We all love to explore new destinations, but planning a trip can be a daunting task. With so many options and details to consider, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But fear not, ChatGPT is here to make your travel dreams a reality. By analyzing your preferences, budget, and desired experiences, ChatGPT can create a personalized travel itinerary that caters to your every whim. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, ChatGPT will map out the perfect journey for you, complete with hidden gems and insider tips. Get ready for the trip of a lifetime! Our fourth mind-blowing idea, AI-powered content creation. In the digital age, content is king, and keeping up with the demand for fresh and engaging content can be a real challenge. But with ChatGPT by your side, you'll never run out of ideas or struggle with writer's block again. Its creative algorithms and natural language processing capabilities can generate captivating articles, blog posts, social media content, and more. Imagine effortlessly churning out high-quality content that keeps your audience hooked and coming back for more. With ChatGPT, your content creation game will reach new heights. And finally, our fifth and final mind-blowing idea, AI-powered personal assistant. We all wish we had an extra pair of hands to help us manage our busy lives and stay organized. Well, ChatGPT can be your virtual sidekick, keeping track of your schedules, appointments, and tasks. It can even handle basic research answer your queries, and provide reminders to keep you on top of your game. With ChatGPT as your personal assistant, you'll have more time and mental bandwidth to focus on what truly matters: your passion projects and personal growth. Say goodbye to overwhelm and hello to productivity. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 best business ideas in 2023 using the incredible power of ChatGPT. Whether you're looking to revolutionize fitness training, enhance your fashion sense, plan unforgettable trips, boost your content creation game, or streamline your daily tasks, ChatGPT is the ultimate ally in your entrepreneurial journey. Thanks for joining us today on Just Hustle. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more incredible business ideas and tips. Until next time, keep hustling and unleashing your entrepreneurial awesomeness.